how to increase the color luminance or the color brightness or the color grading of your Android device screen. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can enable the color booster in your Android device. So in order to enable the color booster, the first thing that you will need to do is simply go to the settings of your Android device. You can do so by tapping onto the settings icon, and once you are inside the settings, simply scroll down until you see this setting that says display and brightness. So simply click onto this display and brightness option and keep on scrolling until you see this option that says video color boost. So video color boost is the setting name in my case, so simply click here and from here enable this. Now what it will do is that it's an SDR to HDR technology that widens the color gamut for a super visual experience, although this will increase battery usage. So now you have successfully enabled the video color boost. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.